Hello, I'm Chini from MSK, am I right?
Today, we'll delve into the anatomy of the posteromedial corner of the knee. Overview of the posteromedial corner. The medial meniscus is colored yellow. The superficial medial collateral ligament is red, and the deep medial collateral ligament is not depicted here. The posterior oblique ligament is highlighted in orange. The meniscocapsular ligament and the posterior capsule are purple. The meniscotibial ligament is aqua-colored. The semimembranosus tendon and its expansions are brown. The posteromedial corner of the knee is bounded by the posterior margin of the superficial medial collateral ligament and the medial border of the posterior cruciate ligament. Posteromedial corner injuries have been implicated in knee instability, including anteromedial rotatory instability and genu recurvatum instability. Key structures of the posteromedial corner. Posterior oblique ligament. The posterior oblique ligament is a component of the posteromedial knee and consists of three fascial attachments: superficial, central, and the capsular arms. Its capsular arm directly expands the posteromedial capsule, positioned between the posterior meniscocapsular and meniscofemoral attachment of the medial collateral ligament. The central arm is best visualized on sequential coronal and axial images just posterior to the superficial MCL as it blends with the capsule and inserts into the medial meniscus and the adjacent tibia. Meniscocapsular and meniscotibial ligaments. The meniscocapsular ligament and the posterior capsule are purple, the meniscotibial ligament is aqua-colored. Further posteriorly, the medial meniscus's posterior horn is anchored by two peripheral attachments. The meniscocapsular ligament, extending posterior-superiorly to the capsule, measures approximately 20 mm. The meniscotibial ligament, attaching inferiorly to the tibia, measures around 14 mm. Semimembranosus expansions. The distal semimembranosus tendon is an important component of the posteromedial corner. The semimembranosus tendon consisted of two main portions, the anterior arm and the direct arm. The direct arm inserted at the proximal tibia, the anterior arm extending along the proximal tibia and inserting deep or posterior to the superficial medial collateral ligament, the coronary ligament attaching to the medial meniscus, and a capsular arm forming the oblique popliteal ligament. This semimembranosus meniscal attachment originates from the anterior arm of the semimembranosus and is situated between the posterior meniscotibial ligament and the meniscotibial attachments of the posterior oblique ligament. Direct arm. Anterior arm. In the coronal image, the posterior oblique ligament is visible, and the anterior arm of the semimembranosus tendon can be seen. This anterior arm inserts into the medial proximal tibia and passes under the posterior oblique ligament. This arm attaches to the coronary ligament at the posterior horn of the medial meniscus. Some authors refer to the short meniscus arm of the semimembranosus. Future video presentations will provide detailed MRI findings on each of these components. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it.